Good morning all. Today we discuss about gas holding. Okay, you know about air holding. Today we discuss about gas holding. Here available oxyacetylene gas holding. Okay, for oxyacetylene gas holding, two cylinder wanted. Which type of cylinder? One is oxygen cylinder. Second is acetylene cylinder. Okay. Our available here two cylinder. This is the oxygen cylinder and this is the acetylene cylinder. How can we indicate which have oxygen cylinder and which have acetylene cylinder? First, color. Oxygen color is black or blue color. So this is the black color cylinder. We indicate this cylinder. This is the oxygen cylinder, and acetylene cylinder color है maroon color. Here available also maroon color. So we indicate this. This is the acetylene cylinder. If color is removed, then how can we indicate that which have oxygen and which have acetylene cylinder? By regulator. Second, indicate by regulator. Oxygen cylinder regulator is anti-clockwise and acetylene cylinder regulator is clockwise direction. Okay, and every indicator or regulator have two indicating meter. One meter indicate the which pressure inside the cylinder, and another meter indicate the which pressure outlet from the cylinder. Okay, then which pipe outlet from the cylinder help to gas. Okay, that is the hose pipe. This is the hose pipe. A hose pipe color four types: black, blue, red and maroon. Okay, black and blue color hose pipe used to oxygen cylinder, and red and maroon color hose pipe used to acetylene cylinder. Okay, now this is the gas holding torch. Okay, in this torch you see this is the inlet nozzle, two inlet nozzle. One is red color and another is blue color. रेड कलर जो नोजल है उसमें एसिटिलीन का गैस पाइप कनेक्शन करोगे, एंड जो ब्लू कलर का नोजल है उसमें ऑक्सीजन का गैस पाइप और होस पाइप कनेक्शन करोगे. एंड दिस इज द टू रेगुलेटर, वन रेड कलर एंड अनदर ब्लू कलर. ब्लू कलर regulator regulate the oxygen gas, and red color regulator regulate the acetylene gas. And this is the nozzle point. A nozzle size, देखो एक ही होल है इसमें. ये होल का डायमीटर कितना है? 0.8 mm. Okay, but another nozzle be available है. We choose the nozzle hole diameter by thickness of the metal. Which metal we done the holding? If you done the metal thickness 2 mm or 1.5 mm, then nozzle hole you choose 1 mm or 0.8 mm. Okay, if you done the holding to 5 mm thickness metal, then you choose the nozzle hole size 2 mm or 2.5 mm. ऐसे चूज किया जाता है. Okay, now we see the different type of flame. Okay, at first you open the oxygen regulator and adjust the outlet gas. Then you open the acetylene regulator and adjust the outlet gas by using this key. This is the gas opener key. Okay. Now what happened? Now two gas available in this torch. Okay. Now you check the gas. This is the acetylene gas and this is the oxygen gas. Two gas available. Now both of regulator perfectly tight. Then slowly open the acetylene regulator. What happened? Only acetylene flame outlet from the nozzle. Yes or not? Then you spark in front of the nozzle by using spark lighter. Okay. Then what happens? One flame is created. That flame name is reducing flame. That flame name is reducing flame, and that flame color is reddish yellow. In this flame, carbon create. So other name of this flame is carburizing flame. In this flame, create the temperature maximum 1200 degrees centigrade. So melting point of ferrous metal or mild steel is 1400 to 1600 degrees centigrade. So by using the carburizing flame, we cannot melt the metal. So we cannot done the welding by this flame. Okay. In this flame, 80% acetylene and 20% oxygen, because on the outside air oxygen available which percent? 20%. Okay. Now slowly open the oxygen regulator. Then what happened? The reddish yellow flame change to blue color. Reddish yellow flame change to blue color. Okay. This is the neutral flame. Okay. In this flame, oxygen and acetylene near about 50-50. Okay. So we can call its flame name is neutral flame or working flame. Okay. Then if we open the oxygen regulator excess, then what happen? Excess oxygen flow and flame color वही ब्लू रहेगा. ओके. बट प्रेशर ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. प्रेशर ज़्यादा हो जाने से क्या होगा? उसका टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज कितना होगा? अप टू 3300 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. बट जो न्यूट्रल फ्लेम में कितना टेम्परेचर क्रिएट होगा? 2700 टू 3100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर क्रिएट होगा. उसी टेम्परेचर में हम होल्डिंग को कर पाओगे. ओके. तो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग फ्लेम कहाँ यूज होता है? वेयर वी यूज द गैस फ्लेम टू कोटिंग पर्पस ऑफ द मेटल, एट दैट प्लेस वी यूज द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग फ्लेम. ओके. तो यू नो 3 फ्लेम ऑफ द oxidizing oxyacetylene flame. So this is the welding plate. Okay. This plate you done the welding, and this is the torch. Okay. You create the flame at first in front of the torch. Which flame? Neutral flame create. Okay. Then you place the job on the table. Okay. And if you writing, then you hold the torch in the right hand and flame show to the job. Then what happen? Job become semi melted or red heat. Then after red heat, you attach a filler rod to the holding position. Okay. ये फिलर रॉड जो एंगल कितना होगा 30 to 40 डिग्री एंगल होगा। एंड ये जो टॉर्च टिप एंगल कितना होगा 70 to 80 डिग्री होगा। ओके, टॉर्च एंगल 70 बिलो होगा, सॉरी 80 डिग्री नहीं होगा, 40 to 50 डिग्री एंगल में रहेगा। ओके, तो टॉर्च एंगल 40 to 50 डिग्री एंड फिलर रॉड एंगल 30 to 40 डिग्री। ओके, ऐसे मूवमेंट करोगे, टॉर्च फॉलो करेगा किसको, ना फिलर रॉड को। ओके, देन होल्डिंग ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा। होल्डिंग करने का टाइम 2 डेंजरस पॉइंट ऑफ द गैस होल्डिंग फ्लेम। ओके, दैट इज द flashback and backfire. Which is flashback? Try to create that flame in gas stove. At that time, flame do not create. Flame do not create, and one bubble sound create or crickle sound create. That crickle sound or bubble sound do not off or do not create the flame. That is the backfire. That is the backfire. Okay, and that backfire if stay in front of the nozzle too long time, above 2 mm, 2 minutes, above 2 minutes, then what happen? Maybe chance to fire back or enter to the nozzle and come back to the cylinder regulator. Come back to the cylinder regulator. Then maybe create a explosion in the cylinder. Okay. So at first create the backfire, and when that backfire come back to the cylinder regulator, that is called flashback. Flashback is a dangerous, and backfire though do not dangerous but create the dangerous. Okay, when backfire create, at that time you suddenly off the regulator switch. Okay, then again you create the flame. This is the 2 dangerous point. Okay, now we done a holding job using oxyacetylene gas holding. Job name is board joint. Raw material required 80 into 40 into 2 mm thickness MS plate. Okay, this is a job drawing. In this drawing, you see this part is one part, this part is one part. This is the holding position. This side 40 mm, this side 40 mm, and length is 80 mm. Okay, and thickness of the metal is 2 mm. Now we marking from this sheet. This is a 2 mm plate. From this plate we marking 40 into 80 mm by using steel wool and scriber. This is a scriber. This size is 40 mm, this size is 80 mm. Okay, marking हो गया. Now it is cutting by bench shell. This is the bench shearing. This is the lower part of the bench shearing. This is the upper part of the bench shearing. This is the lower blade. This is the upper blade. Okay, this is the handle of bench shearing. The blade movement by sliding to blade. Okay, now we cutting this blade on marking. Again cutting on marking. टू पीस कटिंग हो गया. This is the two piece of metal. Before holding, we clean the metal by using wire brush. Okay. If you do not clean the metal, do not have perfect holding. Okay, now clean the metal. Now we set the gas holding set. Okay. Now this is the oxyacetylene gas holding set. This is the oxygen cylinder. At first you open the oxygen regulator by using key. Okay. Now we adjust the outlet gas. Again we open the acetylene regulator and adjust the outlet gas. Okay, now we go to holding cable. Now this is the holding torch. Now two gas available in this torch. This is the oxygen pipe and this is the acetylene pipe, and this is the acetylene regulator. This is the oxygen regulator. At first you check two regulator perfectly tight. Now first we open the acetylene regulator. Acetylene gas outlet from the nozzle. This is the carburizing tank. Now we set the job on the table. This is the pillar rod. Now melt the semi-melted to the job and done the holding by this process.
हाँ करो.
This is the final holding. Okay, now stop the flame. Now again clean the. Now you see the holding bed of gas holding. Okay. This gas holding you done every garage. Gas holding done below 2 mm thickness plate. So every vehicle or car body below 2 mm thickness plate